Our service team logged 33,190 repair calls last year across Boston, the Cape, and Southern New Hampshire. So this video isn't lab testing or influencer content. Here's why that matters. You should know compact washers and dryers are some of the most advanced appliances you can buy. More sensors, more features, and all the dryers now use heat pumps instead of heating elements. That part is good for efficiency. The bad part is this. They're also the hardest machines to fix. And there's one big problem with compact laundry that no one talks about. I'll tell you exactly what it is at the end of this video. Actual reliability numbers. Washers. LG was 4.1% service within the first year. Bosch was 5.2%. Miele 7.9%. LG is the most reliable compact washer this year. Bosch follows closely. Miele is higher because it has the most features and the most interesting electrical setup. Miele is different to install using two 120-volt outlets instead of the 120 plus 240 almost every other dryer uses, whether it's compact or full size. The average appliance across all categories is about 9.5%, so all three beat that. Dryers are a bit different. Miele is 6.8%, LG 7.1%, and Bosch 8.4%. This is pretty close across the board. Miele leads by a small margin, but all three are performing well, especially for heat pump dryers. The problem I promised at the start? The biggest risk in compact laundry isn't the machine, it's the repair. These dryers are now almost exclusively heat pumps, and a heat pump is a lot like refrigeration: a compressor, an evaporator, and a heat exchanger. That's refrigerator tech inside a dryer. Most dryer techs can't fix sealed systems. Most refrigeration techs don't repair dryers. And most companies don't have one person who can do both. So before you buy a compact washer and dryer, ask one question. Who's going to fix it if something goes wrong? And over the life of the machine, something will go wrong. Here's the kind of thing that happens. Before we started servicing Nantucket, it could take 4 to 8 weeks just to get a repair appointment. And that was before anyone figured out the dryer was a sealed system heat pump, which most techs still won't touch. So if the repair path isn't clear, don't just pick the brand with the flashiest features. Pick the brand that's best supported in your area. If you're in Massachusetts, Rhode Island, or Southern New Hampshire, we can deliver any in-stock compact laundry set within 48 hours. You'll get a 2-hour window and you can track the truck right to your house. If you want to know the best models are, click this video, and thanks for watching.